Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Sag. Na mensahe po ninyo, Privileged Lady. Ayan. So, this is really beautiful energy. Si Privileged Lady, this is very abundant and prosperous energy din, no? Kaya maaari talaga na mayroon din kayo rito mga perang paparating, financial blessings coming your way. Okay? Kaya good luck sa'yo. Maaari din, ang iba sa inyo dito, baka merong someone is going to visit you, mahalin nyo sa buhay, pwedeng anak ninyo na young adult, no? Pwedeng anak ninyo to, no? Na pwedeng bibisita sa'yo or maybe may lakad kayo, may pupuntahan kayo, something like that, no? Baka aayain ka to go somewhere. Main male, for others of you, baka kayo ito, or pwede rin naman na manliligaw ninyo, no? Pwedeng manliligaw ninyo, pwedeng asawa ninyo, pwedeng boss ninyo. So, this could be anyone that you are going to be dealing with at this time. Okay? We have message of concern. Maaring may matanggap kayong sulat or communication, correspondence na ikaka-worry ninyo. Maaring manggagaling yung message na to dito sa lalaking ito, or pwedeng yung lalaking ito yung yung about sa kanya, no? Siguro yung message na to. So, pwedeng ganun. No? So, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. What else? We have thoughts. Ayan. So, baka yung nilalaman ng message of concern na to, yun ang iisipin mo sa ngayon. No? Mapapaisip ka, baka may stress ka dyan, something that you're going to worry about, no? Pwede rin na isang babae ang subject, no, ng message of concern na to. Kaya, maaaring yun ang iisipin ninyo. So, that could be anyone, no, sa buhay ninyo na babae. So, what else? Mature man. Ayan, so you will be dealing with this mature man. So, this could be your dad, that could be your grandpa, you know, baka asawa mo, baka boss ninyo yan, mandidigaw ninyo. So, that could be anyone, no? Sa buhay ninyo, si mature man that you are going to be dealing with around this time. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa mensahe para sa'yo. We have, sabi dito, stay open to the beautiful, to the good and beautiful things. Wow, napakaganda, diba? So, there could be miracles coming your way. There's fairy energy opening up. So, ayan. So, maghanda kayo, no? Maghanda kayo for beautiful things to come your way. Meron dito mga blessings, no? Good things, serendipity, yung gano'n na maaaring ma-experience ninyo sa ngayon. So, project positivity lang, no, Sagittarius, para walang maging sagabal, no, sa pagdating ng mga magagandang pangyayaring ito sa buhay ninyo. Okay? So, ano lang kayo? Positive mindset lang, project positive attitude lang, para yun ang ma-experience ninyo. No? Yun ang ma-attract ninyong kind of energy sa ngayon. We have breaking into bloom. Sometimes you will break before you bloom. That's very true. 'Di ba? Sometimes kailangan mo munang mag-fail, no, sa isang bagay bago kayo talagang tuluyang umalagwa at mag-asenso at mag-thrive at mag-evolve into the best version of yourself. May mga ganun yung kailangan muna nating madapa at some point sa buhay natin. Tapos pagbangon natin, tuloy-tuloy, no? Biglang bumulusok, no? Pataas talaga, 'di ba? Yung sitwasyon natin. Kaya totoo 'yan. Sometimes kailangan mo muna, you will break before you bloom. 'Di ba? Kailangang mag-fail muna, no? Tapos yung failure, yun ang mag-fuel sa inyo para talagang galingan ninyo lalo, pagsikapan ninyo lalo, mag-strive kayo lalo hanggang sa makarating kayo doon sa tugatog ng inyong tagumpay, no? So maaari may mga ganong ganap, no, na pwedeng mangyari asa ngayon at this time. Kaya kung meron man mga failures kayo nararanasan, kung meron man kayong mga untoward situations, no, na na-experience lately, kayo mag-alala, no, kasi everything is temporary, no, that's temporary. Kung ano man ang sitwasyon mo hindi masyadong favorable para sa'yo, rest assured that that is going to change for the better. Okay, so what else? We have blessings and curses. Do not be ashamed, not of your thorns or your flowers. Psyche, self-love, beauty. Ayan. So, siguro sa ngayon, ano, you are going to have a deeper understanding, no, of the human psyche. Siguro, mas ngayon, tawag dito, mas maiintindihan mo na ngayon siguro yung buhay ninyo, yung purpose ninyo, why are you here, 'di ba? Ano ang relationship ninyo sa divine universe, sa inyong spirit team, yung mga ganon. At maaaring sa ngayon then you will realize, no, na it's about time na, no, to love yourself more than anyone or more than anything, no? Kasi baka siguro dati mas ano kayo, mas priority ninyo yung ibang tao. Mas priority ninyo yung pag-aalaga, pagmamahal towards other people. Pero yung sarili ninyo na nineglect ninyo, laging nasa last priority ninyo yung sarili ninyo, so pwedeng ganon. But now, you know, self-love, that is what you're going to focus on more, no, than anything. We have truth. Sabi dito, that which is true will always be enough. Ayan. So, this could be, no, this could be your own truth. Okay? This could be your own truth that is coming to light. Baka sa ngayon, mas, since, no, talagang meron kayong self-love sa ngayon, and also, siguro, part of that, no, na pagsa-self-love ninyo, you are also going to start to be true to yourself, no, this is going to be the start as well ng pagpapakatotoo mo, pag-embrace mo sa inyong truth, pag-embrace mo sa inyong authenticity, pag-embrace mo sa inyong integrity, no, you are really going to be very proud of yourself na from here on. No, talagang mas i-honor mo na ngayon yung inyong sarili. Kung dati kasi, kumbaga, nanineglect mo na ang inyong sarili, no, because you are siguro people pleaser ang iba sa inyo Sagittarius. Mas inuuna mo yung ibang tao. Mas pinaprioritize mo ang kabutihan ng ibang tao. Pagsisilbi sa ibang tao. Pero ngayon, maybe you're going to realize na more than anything, more than anyone, dapat yung sarili mo muna ang uunahin mo. 'Di ba? Magpapakatotoo ka na sa ngayon. You're going to love yourself more than anyone. So good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.